Richard Colangelo was appointed last Thursday by the Criminal Justice Commission. Governor Lamont said he is looking forward to working with him. He is now tasked with overseeing all 13 states' attorneys, and his answers to my questions were direct and pointed. We pick up where we left off. One of the highest profile cases Connecticut has ever seen. The Dulos murder case. Richard Colangelo leading the prosecution. Can you just give me your thoughts on what was your reaction when you had heard that he had poisoned himself with carbon monoxide?
I was sitting in my office waiting for him to come to court with one of his attorneys, and you know, it was sad. It really was.
Citing an active and ongoing investigation, Colangelo declined to get into the details of the case, but he did talk about what surprised him. How difficult has it been for you to prosecute that case?
It's amazing to me the following that case got. State police, the Western District major crime guys are tremendous. I mean, they have, you know, there wasn't a day since Jennifer went missing that I hadn't talked to them and the New Canaan police that were involved with them. Every step of the way, you know, they kept me informed. You know, there was so many facets to that investigation. It was incredible, as you saw in the warrant.
Attorney Norm Pattis has proposed something rather unorthodox. He wants to see if we can have a murder trial when we do not have a physical suspect and we do not have a physical victim. Do you think that's possible?
The case is scheduled for that motion on Friday. Come to court Friday, I'll see what happens.
We have since learned the motion was rescheduled to February 13th. The Dulos case and other heinous, high-profile murder cases beg an important question. Connecticut repealed the death penalty back in 2012. Do you believe that there is a crime that is so egregious that could warrant the reinstatement of capital punishment in Connecticut?
Can I come up with some? Yes, absolutely. But honestly, in my situation right now, my belief doesn't matter. It's the legislature and their prerogative to make those changes.
Speaking of the legislature, likely to be pushed this session, legal marijuana, but without a test to determine if someone is driving high.
We need to make sure that we have a test for that. So that's something that I would make sure that we're pushing the legislature on to make sure that it's covered in any legalization bill.
Colangelo and I then shifted to another hot-button issue, immigration, even taking center stage during the President's State of the Union. Will you be instructing your state's attorneys to cooperate or not cooperate with federal immigration policy?
Realistically, we have to look, if there is a judicial order, a warrant signed by a judge, then that's when we're going to cooperate.
Colangelo told me that over the next several weeks he plans to visit all the state's attorneys to see what they need and how they can better allocate resources. If you'd like to see our full interview with Richard Colangelo, just log on to our website, fox61.com. Reporting in Rocky Hill, Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.